We have a new question for you. This is tricky question. Let's come start. A plus B is equal to 100 and AB is equal to 1000. This is second equation. What is the value of A is unknown and B is unknown from this equation. So this is very tricky but very simple question. So from equation number first, we are taking equation number first. So A plus B is equal to 100. We change this result to the right side. Their sign is also changed, positive change into negative. A is equal to 100 minus B. We give here third equation. This is B. This is B. Now from equation number, substitute equation number third and equation number second to get this result. A, in place of A we put 100 and in place of A we put 100 minus B and to B is equal to 1000. Now B is multiply 100B minus B square is equal to 1000. So we change this result here and also we arrange 100B minus B square minus 1000 is equal to 0. We arrange the term B square plus 100B minus 1000 is equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by minus 1. So B square minus 100B plus 1000 is equal to 0. Now according to the formula, so we get here according to the quadratic form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare the coefficient of this one here, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 100 and c is equal to 1000. Now according to the formula, b is used as a variable. In the place of x we put here minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here we put the values of a and b. Minus 100 plus minus 100 square minus 4a. A is 1 and c is equal to 1000 divided by 2a. 2a is equal to 1. So b is equal to 100 minus into minus plus and plus minus. So 100 we can write 4 square and means that 20 we double time v and 1 multiplied by 1 and 4000 divided by 2. Now v is equal to 100 plus minus 10,000 minus and we get 6,000 divided by 2. So we can write here this result 16. So 100 plus minus 4 multiplied by 1500 we get 6000 divided by 2. And also 400 plus minus 4 square root, we use the property of and 1500 divided by 2. According to the property of AB, we can write a square root and b square root. According to this property, we have used here and 4 square root is equal to get 2 and 1500 divided by 2. So 2 is common here, 50 plus minus 1500 divided by 2. 2 and 2 are cancelled, we get 50 plus minus 1500 the value of b. Now we are finding the value and b is equal to 50 plus 1500 under the root, then equation number third becomes, and here a is equal to 100 minus b. We put the value of b here 100 minus 15 plus 15 under the root, and here is we take the bracket because minus effect the other side. A is equal to 100 minus 50 minus 1500. So A is equal to 50. 100 minus 50, we get 50 minus 1500, which is the answer of A. Similarly, when we take a negative, when B is equal to 50 minus 1500, so equation number third becomes, equation number third is A is equal to 100 minus B. So 100 minus B, 100 B value is 50 minus 1500. So also effect this side. A is equal to 100 minus 50 minus plus 1500. So the result is A is equal to 100 minus, so 50 plus 1500 under the root, which is the required values of A or B. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.